Heavenly coffee sponge cake recipe, easy and delicious. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're going to whip up a heavenly treat that combines two of our favorite things, coffee and cake. Get ready to indulge in the divine flavors of our coffee sponge cake. Ingredients: 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 eggs, at room temperature, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of strong brewed coffee, cooled, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And for the frosting, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of strong brewed coffee, cooled, cocoa powder for dusting, optional. Instructions: in a bowl, sift together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. This will ensure that our cake is light and airy. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs and granulated sugar until pale and fluffy. This might take a few minutes, but trust me, it's worth it for that perfect sponge texture. Now, gently fold in the dry ingredients until just incorporated. Be careful not to overmix, or we'll lose that wonderful lightness. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 25-30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While our cake is baking, let's prepare the frosting. Once the butter and sugar are nicely combined, add in the cooled brewed coffee and mix until you have a creamy frosting. Our coffee sponge cake is now ready to be transformed into a masterpiece. Spread that delicious coffee frosting generously over the top. And there you have it, folks. A coffee sponge cake that's sure to impress. Whether it's for a special occasion or just a cozy evening at home, this recipe is guaranteed to satisfy your sweet cravings. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your fellow coffee lovers. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.